I used to sleep at 4 in the morning. Now it's 3:49 and I'm headed to work. Shout out to my girlfriend Brooke. She's awake right now. She's headed to work right now. Shout out to my buddy Patricia. She's also on her way to work, working those 10-hour days. Patricia is one of 5 friends from FedEx that I got into my current job. My best friends in life are hardworking people. My best friends from FedEx that I got into my current job, I became friends with them because they work hard. I gravitate towards hardworking people. My best friends on YouTube, and some of you I consider real life friends because I've seen you in person. Hardworking people, you're about that grind. One of them is Stefan, works all the time. He missed the lifted van meet November 2024 because he works a lot. But today, after work, we're headed to Mirage Gas Co. and we're go camping. I'm gonna show him where we went for the 2024 lifted van meet. It's really loud in here and I'm talking really loud because I'm driving the tracker today. I'll show you guys later. But yeah, if you want to go on a short notice trip, Mirage Gas Co tonight. I'll be there at 8 p.m. But yeah, headed to work right now. And yeah, after work, I want to enjoy my life, go camping. But I want to take this time to give a shout out to all the hardworking men and women out there. Keep on that grind, man. Make that money, get paid. Coronado Bridge at 4 in the morning. You know what's cool about driving on this bridge with my van? I could see over this barrier. I gotta lift my camera up to see the water. But yeah, in my van I could see right over this barrier. I also want to give a shout out to Slick Rick. Slick Rick, unfortunately can't make it today. Slick Rick, another hardworking guy. He has like Wednesday and Thursday off, so wish you could make it, Slick Rick. He's been to like 4 van meets, I think. 3 or 4, I don't even remember. But there you go, Coronado Bridge at 4 in the morning. Drove the tracker today, van's topped off, ready for camping. But keep on working hard, keep on dreaming. This was 2 or 3 years ago, I don't even remember now, but worked all that overtime to get a little Suzuki.